In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an image folder in GitHub. This is useful for organizing images and other visual assets inside your repository. First, open your web browser and go to github.com. Then sign into your account. From your dashboard, open the repository where you want to create the image folder. Once you're inside the repository, click Add File and select Create New File. In the Name Your File field, type your folder name followed by a / such as images. After the slash, enter a placeholder file name such as placeholder.txt. GitHub requires a file inside the folder before it can create the folder. Now, click Commit Changes to create the folder. Once the folder has been created, click Add File again and select Upload Files. Drag and drop your images into the upload area or click Choose Your Files and select them from your computer. Finally, click Commit Changes to upload your images. Your images will now be stored inside the new folder in your GitHub repository. That's how to create an image folder in GitHub. Thanks for watching.